Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add Apple Pay to your Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, have your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be right here in this page. So once you're here in your dashboard, go to the left side of your screen. You're going to find all of these sections. So right here, you're going to find setup, home, getting paid, booking calendar, events, sales, and so on. So go to getting paid, give it a click. You're going to find connect and setup, pay links, invoices, price quotes, proposals, and POS checkout. So go to connect and setup, and then here you're going to find connect payment method. Accept one time or multiple payments for any time, service, or amount to get paid using these tools. First, connect a payment method. Click on connect a payment method, and here you need to choose how to receive payments from customers for your business. And then, first of all, choose your region right here. The available payments methods will differ depending on which region you're in. So, for example, for Morocco, this is the available options. There is PayPal and also manual payments. So, if you want to connect PayPal or manual payments, just click on connect and then you're going to be able to link it with your Wix site. As you can see, guys, here there is some additional payment options. Go ahead and click on see more payment options, and then here you're going to find all of the other available payment options. As you can see, guys, for me, I have Payzone available and also Payment Wall. So if Apple Pay is available in your region, you're going to find this right here. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.